right, number 5, we've got 3x squared minus 14x minus 5 divided by x squared minus 25 times x plus 5 over 3x plus 1. All right, so let's factor the 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. So we're going to use the AC method. So a times c, the number in front of x squared, 3, times negative 5, that gives us negative 15. And we want the pair of factors of negative 15 that adds to the middle number, negative 14. So we're going to use positive 1 times negative 15. All right, so we're going to rewrite this as 3x squared plus x minus 15x minus 5. Okay, so out of the first two terms, we're going to factor out an x. So we're going to have x times 3x plus 1. Out of these two terms, we're going to factor out a minus 5. So minus 5, and we're going to have a common factor 3x, or common binomial 3x plus 1. Okay, then we're going to bring these two together. So we have x minus 5 times 3x plus 1. And let's write this up here. So we have x minus 5 times 3x plus 1. And we're going to multiply across by x plus 5. And on the bottom, we've got a difference of squares. So that factors to x plus 5 times x minus 5. And then we're multiplying by 3x plus 1. And we're going to cancel out. So this cancels with this cancels with this, and this cancels with this. Another situation, we've got 1 over 1, which equals just 1.